Hello, I am back, and today I'm sharing how to create this beautiful French twist ponytail. I love how versatile this hairstyle is, and it's surprisingly simple. Now, I originally shared this tutorial over on my Instagram, but those videos are quick, so I want to share it here, slow it down, and walk you through all the steps. All right, let's get started. To start, I like to apply an oil to my hands just to help keep everything smooth. Then toss all your hair behind and tilt your head back. This makes it easier to scoop and gather all of your hair into a ponytail just above ear height. And then finger comb your hair back to smooth it. Then tightly hold your ponytail in your left hand and tightly grab onto the base with your right hand, your palm out and thumb on top. Then tightly twist your ponytail clockwise 2 full turns, bringing your ends down to your neck. And then hold it in your left hand at your nape. Use your right hand to gently fan out your twist to elongate it, straighten it, and tuck any areas under your twist that feel loose, like near your neck. And notice how the top of the twist starts where I gathered my ponytail, so if your twist is too low, try again holding your ponytail higher. Once you're happy, secure into place starting at the bottom. Insert 1 pin at your nape up the center of your twist as an anchor. Next, using either bobby pins or French pins, secure your twist by placing the ends through the outside of your twist to the right, then press them against your head while flipping your pin and sliding it in towards the left. I will link my how-to tutorial below. Once you've pinned along your entire twist, smooth back pesky flyaways with some hairspray, and to finish off the look, add some shine spray. And there we have it, how quick and beautiful, and I love how you can dress this up with hair accessories to make it your own. But I really hope that you found today's video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.